China signs 25-year deal with Iran in challenge to the US. China and Iran signed an overarching deal aimed at charting the course of their economic, political, and trade relations over the next 25 years. The Chinese government plans to invest in Iran and buy oil from the Islamic Republic, further straining ties with the US already frayed by China's imports of covertly shipped Iranian crude. The Comprehensive Strategic Partnership Agreement, signed in Tehran on Saturday by Iranian Foreign Minister Mohammad Javad and his Chinese counterpart, Wang Yi, has been in the works since 2016, when President Xi Jinping became the first Chinese leader to visit the Iranian capital in over a decade. Beijing's alliance with Tehran is a challenge to US as it sets about trying to rally allies against China, which Secretary of State Antony Blinken has said is the world's greatest geopolitical test. The document can elevate bilateral ties to a new strategic level, Foreign Ministry spokesman Said said in an interview. The deal focuses on boosting private sector collaboration and Iran's role in 11's flagship infrastructure and investment program, the Belt and Road Initiative. A draft copy of the accord that surfaced on media last year showed plans for long-term supply of Iranian crude to China as well as investment in oil, gas, petrochemical, renewables, and nuclear energy infrastructure. Lured by the prospect of cheaper prices, China has already increased its imports of Iranian oil to around 1 million barrels a day, eroding US leverage as it prepares to enter stalled talks with Tehran to revive a nuclear deal. The Biden administration has indicated that it's open to engaging Iran after then-President Donald Trump abandoned the accord nearly 3 years ago and reimposed economic sanctions, but the two sides have yet to even agree to meet. Iran exported around 2.5 million barrels of oil a day before American penalties resumed. Iran's closer integration with China may help shore up its economy against the impact of the US sanctions, while sending a clear signal to the White House of Tehran's intentions. Wang Yi, who arrived in Tehran on Friday, also met with Rouhani to discuss the nuclear deal. In its speech, Rouhani raised the prospect of restrictions being eased before the end of his second and final term as president in early August. "We are ready for the lifting of sanctions," he said on Saturday. "If obstacles are removed, all or at least some sanctions can be lifted.